In this lesson, we're going to learn about tracking our mentee's progress. Blackboard Open LMS makes it easy to track how both you and your mentee are doing. There are 3 reports that are particularly useful: the Activity Completion Report, the Activity Grades Report, and the Needs Grading Report. We will take a look at each of these in turn. The Activity Completion Report will show you the assignments that your mentee has submitted and which discussion boards have both posts and replies. The Activity Completion Report is found under Reports, which you can only access by clicking on the gear next to the My Courses button. Click on Reports to see the full drop-down menu. Activity Completion is located second from the bottom. Click on it to select your report. Here is an example of the report. Green check marks mean that your mentee has submitted the assignment or posted and replied to a discussion board. For students, the green check mark also appears next to the assignment or discussion board post. The gray exclamation marks mean that the student has not submitted the assignments or posted and replied in a discussion board. The most common problem that students have is forgetting to reply to another person's post. Now let's take a look at the reports that you can get through Open Reports. To access Open Reports, you must allow Flash in your browser. In Chrome, make sure you are in Blackboard. Then click on the lock on the left side of the URL bar. This will open a menu. Go to Flash and click on Allow. Instructions for other browsers are in separate lessons. Now, go to your course dashboard and click on Open Reports. The initial reports will open, showing your mentee's recent activity. Now, click on Dashboard in the breadcrumb trail. This will open a drop-down menu showing a number of possible reports. We are going to focus on activity grades and needs grading reports. The Activity Grades Report is a good way to find mentees that you did not give full points to. Remember, they must achieve a grade of at least 66.67% to pass. You can send messages from this screen to remind them to provide additional information in a reply post or assignment resubmission. The Needs Grading Report is a great way to see what work you need to do. This report will show you all the work that has been submitted that is awaiting a grade from you. You can click on Grade Now to go right to Open Grader. Open Reports will give you access to all of the students taking EESP in your library system. You can use the filters to focus in on only those students that you are responsible for by selecting them from the User drop-down menu. In summary, use the Activity Completion Report to make sure your mentee is keeping up with assignments and has completed both post and reply in the open forum tasks. Use Activity Grades to make sure your mentee has passed all the assignments and follow up on those that need more information. Use Needs Grading to make sure you have completed all the grading for your mentee. We hope that this will help you feel more in control of what needs to be done. As always, contact the LATI coordinator if you have any questions.